welcome to the Seafoam Isles Draft League Season 2, Week 9. This is the 6th game of the week, and this match is between Benjamator, 67, coach of the Canadian Milk Bags, and Sir Roland, coach of the Mid-Coast Brave Birds. The Mega Pokemon in this matchup are Mega Venusaur for Benji and Mega Heracross for Roland. Only Benji brought his Mega this game, which is, reasonable by Roland. Smart play. And the Z Pokemon are Z Any Hoopa and Z Attack Boltund for Benji, neither of which are coming. I don't remember both of Roland's Pokemon, but I know Gardevoir has Z, so yeah, that is his Z that came. I don't think the other Z user is in this match. So first impressions are Staraptor and Volcanion Core, like Volt turning into Volcanion from Staraptor seems really hard for Benji to mess with. Though I suppose it would kind of just be switch Cellas on U-turn. Switch Cellas on U-turn from Venu. And then whenever Volcanion comes in, send in Venu. So Venusaur would take damage, but get off Flay. I suppose Leech Seed chip on Staraptor pretty much every time, so the defensive core is not failing Benji this game. Though Volcanion spamming Flamethrower seems really annoying for everything except for Typhlosion, honestly. Nothing can really damage it super duper well. Blissey, I suppose, could deal with Volcanion. Also, Basculin's just Basculin, spams Aqua Jet and Flip Turn and Liquidation, and then just Psyfangs for Venu. I think max speed Basculin's probably faster than Venusaur, so Psyfangs into that just bops it. So that's just, Basculin is pretty scary. I'm not going to say for once, Basculin's been scary pretty much every game it's come to somehow. It's out of my... it's probably not out of my jurisdiction. It's just crazy to think about that Basculin's going so hard this league. It's in kill leader contention right now, which is insane. But that's really my main thoughts. I mean, Gardevoir is really scary, but with the coverage, Typhlosion, I think Typhlosion gets Earth Power. That's pretty scary with Eruption. Just all around. Looks like it's going to be a pretty middle of the road game in terms of length, but it's not going to be super short because Benji eliminates the possibility of super short games. But it won't be like super duper long because Roland's team won't last if Benji gets the stall ball rolling. So let's watch. Lead Zygarde versus Mesprit. Dragon Dance hard. This probably is HP Ice or Ice Beam. Nope, Stealth Rock is used. I doubt this can really one-hit KO Mesprit, because Mesprit is crazy. Oosh, that did a lot. Basculin. Oh, I was going to say Basculin. You got this. 1,000 arrows will just boom. Quick attack did a bajillion. Just kidding, it only did 42. But now Basculin can dispatch Zygarde. Unless it has extreme speed. Will extreme speed kill from +2? Well, it's not extreme speed. There we go. Dang. In comes Baron Von Chonker on the rocks. Probably going to Leech Seed here. I don't think it has any reason to not. Giga Drain is used, which is also fair. In comes Celesteela on probably U-turn. Nope, a hard T-Wave. Good brain. T-Wave does a lot for Roland. Magic Code is used on probably Leech Seed. Yo, what? Leech, I've been kind of like about rolling sets like Pokemon sets this league, and then he pulls this one, and it's just I don't even. This is amazing brain. Like now he knows you can't hit Venusaur, but still, that's so good. Now Celesteal is forced to switch because it's just taken like suicide leech seed. It's going to switch into Binu. You turn out. Oh my god, that's just such a unique but actually functional brain for once. The functional Mesprit. That was incredible though. That magic coat was really impressive. In comes Volcanion on the U-turn. Rocks are starting to really build up. Dude, this Mesprit's going crazy. I okay, so I think there's a lot like surrounding that Basculin Luxray to kill Zydog. But I'm gonna be honest, Mesprit so far has been the MVP in my opinion. Earth Power is used as 35, not that much. Flamethrower kills, but Synthesis? Nope, it's not Synthesis. So this is dead to Flamethrower now. Or not. Steam Eruption is Steam Eruption. I think it's fair that you go for that read there because you have no use really for this. Oh, well, yes, you do. Wait. Sacked the Steela. Answer. Flip turn is used. I don't think it matters what you do here. This is killing someone. Yep. Here you go. In comes Gardevoir. Is this rocks? Or no, it's not boots. So oh! Yo, look at Roland's team just absolutely being insane. What the Roland's team is absolutely cooking with gas right now. Oh my god. Trace's Flash Fire. Ooh, 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 ooh. Man, this probably is Psyshock. Oh no, it's Calm Mind. In Synchronize? No, it's Trace. I'm stupid. Oh. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. In comes Steela. This probably is Thunderbolt. And it's probably Calm Minding right now. Moonblast is what the hell? That's not okay. That Moonblast damage was insane. Is that not Spadef? Yeah, was it? Like this is out of range, maybe? Question mark. This doesn't have Thunderbolt, which is hilarious to me. Steel is dead on rocks now. Heavy Slam, one hit KO. Basculin's gonna sweep. No, not the Basculin sweep. You can't do this to him, Roland. The Basculin sweep is on. I think Basculin won. The kill was cheap with the full para, but think I think Basculin probably dealt. Yeah, see, Mesprit's just something else. In comes Blissey on U-turn. Mesprit's crazy. In comes Bird. In comes Typhlosion to lose to Bird. Death by Bird. I don't think I've been giving Benji enough credit this game. It's just like Roland has somehow gone out of his way to have the most insane team versus Benji. Like that the kill versus Steelo is cheap. But the thing is, you click liquidation with this guy. Goodbye, Steela. It's banded liquidation. Nothing lived a banded liquidation on Benji's team. And the only thing, well, the things that were faster probably didn't even kill it in one hit. It probably switches out into something like Mesprit Aquajets. I think Benji played almost as best as he could. It's just Roland's team was so ready for stall. This Mesprit build is just, oh my god. It's a cut above. This is better than, like, so much. Benji played well. There was hacks, but Benji did play well. I'm not gonna say he played poorly because that would be a lie. But it's just Roland's team building here. It's like I'm not gonna say it's the opposite of layer because I knew that was a mean game, but like this is like God sets. Like who I don't even know who would build this Mesprit, and the Mesprit just went off. The Mesprit went off. This was insane. It had U-turn as an attacking move, and it went crazy. So I really think Roland played exceptional this game, built exceptionally well this game. I think Benji did his best he could. It's just, Roland had just an advantage in the team building department with this Mesprit and just the great builds all around. Holy crap. That was a really fun game to watch. So I'll see you in the next one.